Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Guru. So here I am back with another exciting stock tip, and this time the stock is Bajaj Consumer Care. So as all of you know, we bring in such stock tip almost every day. So if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification every time we post a video. So without making any further delay, so as you can see, Bajaj Consumer Care has been the stock pick for today, and it has formed kind of a wedge pattern for last several days, and here you see it is trending from that wedge pattern for quite long time, and right now it is looking as if it is going to bounce from this specific wedge pattern, and it has moved on May 25th on the 50-day moving average. So you can buy this stock with target price of close to 330, which is almost 15% upside from here, and you can keep a stop loss of 272, and you can buy in the range of 286 to 290. So that's pretty much the recommendation from 5paisa. But let's see how the fundamentals look like on this stock and what are the technicals look like, what the SWOT analysis look like. So let me take you deep dive into that. Here is the portal with all the details of Bajaj Consumer Care, and as you can see, the SWOT analysis looks almost 9 strengths, 2 weaknesses and 5 opportunities in Bajaj Consumer Care. And if you look at the overview of the stock, it has a market cap close to 4,200 crores, had a PE of 18.9, and the price to book is 6.4. There's good profit margin, 24.8%, and dividend yield is also pretty good, which is 2.8%. And if you look at how the stock has performed over the last 1 year, it has almost risen from 130 to close to this level now. It's almost doubled, but still there is a lot of steam left in the stock. As you can see, the PE is still supportive of where we are. The price to book is also good. So all these are good signals. And if I go to the SWOT analysis, going to the strengths, the MACD crossover is above the signal line. The company has high EPS growth. There's good quarterly growth in the recent results. There's also growth in the quarterly net profit year on year. The company has low debt. There is increasing revenue every quarter for the last 4 quarters. That's also a good thing. The company has zero promoter pledge, which is coming from the Bajaj. It's really good stock to hold on to. And also the recent results, it indicates there's a growth in the operating profit with increase in operating margins. So that is also good. There's strong momentum which is on the price above the short, medium and long term moving averages. So if I go to the technicals, you'll see all these moving averages, 5, 10, 12, 20 days moving average, stock is almost on top, above all those, and there's almost 16 bullish signals on the stock, and there is 0 bearish signal. So that's really is a good signal for the stock to buy to. But nevertheless, let's go into the weakness. The weakness is primarily the decline in the net profit is falling profit margin quarter on quarter. So the current quarter is a bit decline compared to the last quarter, but that's not a big deal. There's also a declining net cash flow. Company is not able to generate net cash, so that is also a short-term weakness. Going into the opportunities, the company has current TTM, which is trailing 12 months period of PE ratio, which is less than 3-year, 5-year, 10-year PE. So that is really good. There is positive breakout on the stock. There is highest recovery from the 52-week low. There is RSI indicating price growth and high volume, high gain. So, and there is no threats as such right now. So almost all signals good on the stock, and you can really buy the stock. And as you can see, the shareholding pattern, the promoters sell almost 38% of the stock. Mutual fund holds 17.67%, FIIs hold 22.55%, and the public holds 21.66%. So nothing wrong in the shareholding pattern also. So all in all, this really is a good signal for the stock to buy. So if you haven't taken position on the stock, don't forget to buy the stock. It will definitely gain a lot on the stock, and even if it falls, goes down, you can really add onto your portfolio on this stock, because this is a really good stock. And as things like the lockdown relaxes happens and all, there will be a lot of demand in the consumer space, and Bajaj Consumer being a leading player is going to gain out of that. Alright, so that's pretty much it, the recommendation for today. And if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.